Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see how we can create a brand awareness campaign inside the Facebook ads account. So once we log into our account, guys, we can start building out this campaign and we can choose the campaign objective as awareness. So with this, as you can see, you can optimize for reach, which is like reaching a lot of users across the Facebook network. We can also do it for brand awareness, which is where we try to show our ads to a lot of people to make them aware about a brand. We can also optimize this campaign for video views so that we can get a lot of views on our video ads. And then we can also do it for store location awareness, where we want to make people aware about our physical store location. So now we can start building this campaign out, guys. So in this, the first thing which we do is we name the campaign, and then we can go ahead and provide all the other details. Like as we can see out here right now, what we can provide is also the campaign details, which is like the buying type is auction. Okay, and objective remains as awareness. If you want, at the campaign level, you can switch on the A/B test, which is going to the Facebook algorithm will test different ad performance, test various versions and different images to find the best options to select and use them in the ads. So which we can do, or else you can also do advantage campaign budget, which is basically a case wherein you can set a budget at a campaign level, which can be utilized across ad sets. So depending on how ads perform in different ad sets, the budget will be utilized according to that. So we can set up the campaign level or campaign budget optimization from here. Next, when we come to the next level, which is going to be ad set level. So here you can go ahead and name the ad set and then choose the performance goal. So since this campaign which we are building out is for brand awareness, so we can choose that kind of a objective. So we can say maximize number of impressions, which basically means we want to see a high number of ad being shown, impressions being the highest. In addition to that, you can also do a bid control, which is basically we can go ahead and aim to spend the entire budget. Okay, so we can put a bid control as well, which will control the bid for us while the ad goes into the auction. You also have options over here for dynamic creative. If you want to use dynamic creative, the Facebook algorithm will create the ads of different types, which we can use from here. And then we can give the budget as well and schedule it as well as per our requirement. So here we can give a daily budget, which is going to be an average amount which we would like to spend on this campaign on a per day basis. Or we can choose a lifetime budget as well, which is basically a lump sum amount which will be invested into this campaign during the tenure of the campaign. So as per your requirement, you can set the type of budget and you can schedule the campaign as well from here, okay, where you can give a start date, end date. Also, as you can see, we also have other options like audience control. So here you can do your location targeting. So you can choose your locations in this particular manner. Right? Okay. And then what you can do is you also get the option for audience targeting. So Facebook gives you two options. One is Advantage Plus Audience, which is basically the Facebook's technology or algorithm automatically finds our audience and tries to target our ads on different placements across the Facebook network. In addition to that, we also have options for other targeting which we can do, which can be around, let's say we want to use any custom audiences or lookalike audience, you can choose from here, or any audience which we have created, audience coming from our websites, they also you can target from here. In addition to that, you have age targeting, gender targeting, detail targeting, which is Facebook's data, core audiences, which you can target from here. So let's say for now, I'm using a custom audience over here, which we can target. So once you set your audience targeting, then we can all move forward and we can go to the next level. So placements, again, here is going to be two options, which is we can use the advantage placements, which is where the Facebook algorithm will decide which placements will be best for our ads to appear on. That is one. Or else we can go to placement controls and we can manually also go ahead and choose manual placements where we would like to show your ads. So ads can appear across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. So all those options will be presented to you. So you can choose Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, audience network, where you can, if you want, you can select and show your ads. So here you can manually select your placements. So these are all the options which you will get at an ad set level, guys. And once we fill up all this information, now, as you can see, we are coming to the ad level where we can create the ad creative, and we can also go ahead and choose the Facebook page for which we are creating this. And we can create the ad. We can choose the format, whether we want a single image or a video ad or a carousel or a collection. So we can decide the type of ad which we want. And then we can go ahead and upload the media. We can upload the particular files which we want to choose out here specifically in this particular way. As you can see, okay. And then we can go ahead and provide all the other parts of the ad, which is going to be the primary text. We can give the headline over here as well. And you can give a description as well. So usually descriptions are something which might not appear that much on the ad. So this is something which we don't provide all the time. So these are all the details which you will provide. Now you can see a preview of all the ads placements, how they are going to look like. Okay, so this is how the ad will get created and will be placed across the Facebook network. Once the ad is built out, we can give the landing page out here, which is going to appear on the ad as well, as you can see in the preview. Okay, and then we can also have the tracking option, which is not needed for here because we are just looking for awareness purposes. We are creating the campaign. So this will focus only on branding, trying to run the ad on multiple placements across the Facebook network. So a lot of people get to see our ads. And if they're interested, they might click and check out our product and brand. So these are all the details, guys, which we fill up at the ad level. And once you fill this up, you can publish the campaign. This campaign will now go for a checking. And once Facebook approves our ad, then the campaign can go live. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand the whole process of how we are building out an awareness campaign inside the Facebook ads account. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. And I will see you in the next video.